The name lesson is a unique Montessorian method of introducing children to new names, or a way in which we enrich their vocabulary. So instead of just mindlessly repeating what the adult says, we want the child to engage with the name for a while so that it gets registered automatically in his mind. Okay, so every name lesson has three periods. Okay, the first period is introduction of the name. The second period is associating the name with the object by giving the child certain interesting commands. And finally, only we ask the child, we try to find out if the child is able to recollect the name. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it is done now. So this presentation is about giving name lesson with classified cards. So you pick and choose three to start with, and then you can keep increasing the number, according to the child, and depending on the child's age and capacity. So now I've chosen three cards. The rest can be kept aside. They don't have to be there on display. And then your first step is you introduce the name. So you have to point your finger and say, this is a carrot, this is a cucumber, and this is a tomato. Would you like me to say it one more time? Carrot, cucumber, tomato. So once the child has gotten the names, you can give interesting commands. Like, or can you take the carrot and give it to me? Can you take the cucumber and keep it on your head? Or can you take the tomato and hide it? Like that, you can keep giving lots of commands as long as the children are interested. Finally, before you wind up, you ask the child, what is this? What is this? And what is this, by pointing. Now, if the child is not able to give you the answer, please, please, please do not panic. Okay? As long as the child is doing the second stage of the presentation really well, there's nothing to worry. Now, when you introduce a new set of cards on another sitting, always start with the names that the child already knows. So lay out the cards that the child already knows the names of, and then take out 3 or 5 more cards. So you start with the third stage of the first activity by asking the child, what is this, what is this, what is this first, and then when you know that the child has no confusion, then you introduce the new set of names. And then when you're giving the commands, you can give commands for all the cards together. And finally, you ask, what is this, what is this, what is this, for all the cards.